Hi, I'm Sharia Shovan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install tmux on Ubuntu and Debian. The procedure shown in this video should work on Debian 7 and later, Ubuntu 14.04 and later. Let's get started. First, open up your terminal and update the apt package repository cache with sudo apt-get. Now, install tmux with sudo apt install tmux-y. tmux should be installed. Now you can run tmux with the command tmux. I'm going to exit tmux with Control D. I also use ZSH shell with tmux as it has better auto-completion for tmux. This is optional, but I'll show you how to install ZSH as well, as I'll be using ZSH heavily in the later videos. To install ZSH, run sudo apt install zsh-y. ZSH is installed. Now run sudo usermod -s /bin zsh $whoami. This will set ZSH as the default shell for your logged in user. Now reboot your computer with sudo reboot. Once your computer starts, open up a new terminal window and press 2. ZSH should be ready to use. As you can see, I can autocomplete tmux commands with ZSH. This is really helpful. That's it. I'll show you how to use tmux in a later video. Please subscribe my channel if you like what I do and keep yourself notified about my future videos. Thank you for watching.